Hey guys, today we are at
this amazing car museum. Matching.
Guys, this is the first ambulance at Sharjah International Airport.
Hello everyone. Today we are here at Sharjah Classic Cars Museum.
This is one of its kind in this region. Let's now explore.
Come on, go inside and have a look. Come on.
There were certain things about UAE that used to fascinate me as a child. One of them were the luxury cars. Today, I'm so excited to see these classic beauties under one roof. Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is a one-of-kind museum in the region with its unique, authentic atmosphere that brings back a century of car history. You can explore a large collection of more than 100 classic cars dating back to the beginning of 20th century. This museum was first opened in the year 2008. This green beauty is one of the rarest of 1920s. The gorgeous Chevrolet Coupe of 1930s. Sharjah Classic Cars Museum displays a collection of vintage classic cars of different brands dating back to the early 20th century, in addition to classic motorcycles and bicycles. The oldest car in the museum dates back to 1915. This museum is an ideal haven for classic car enthusiasts and attracts a large number of tourists and visitors from all over the world. The cars here are lovingly restored. You can also learn about the evolution of automobile industry and see the vintage collection from each era. The museum is divided into 4 sections. Each represents a historical stage in the development of automobile industry. First section showcases cars which have been manufactured from 1915 to 1939. The second section displays cars that marked the end of World War II. The third stage included cars from new heights of innovation, that's from 1960s to 1987. Large vehicles and UAE motoring were showcased in the last section. This was my most favorite section among all. Very lovely antique models, I would say. I had earlier seen these kind of cars in some movies. These are Ford T-Series cars launched in USA in the year 1918. You can see this lever here. In order to start the car, people used to rotate this lever first, and the maximum speed of this car was around 72 km per hour. In this section, you can learn about American brands and about the first female race car drivers. There's even a car that was worth only $905 back in those days, which is roughly 3,000 dirhams. Yes. My most favorite beauty from the collection. These beautiful and glamorous cars creating a new level of luxury for the world to commute and travel. Here you can discover the museum's vintage masterpieces including Rolls-Royce, Ford, Mercedes, Chevrolet and many others. Don't worry if you don't know what is special or unique about the car that you are looking at, as each car will have a bit of information provided right next to the car. The information includes the year it was manufactured, the country that produced the car, one or two facts about the car. It can be speed, price. Here is another Mercedes-Benz police car, made in Germany version.
Guys, this is the first ambulance at Sharjah International Airport. This is by Mercedes and it started operating in the year 1985 and it is made in Germany.
So this is the skeleton of Ford T model. The handle needs to be rotated to start the engine. It has a fuel tank at the back, a cooling fan. The cylinder has a shaft which is connected to the back wheel and it gives power to the wheel. You can also see the basic controls like steering, brake, accelerator, clutch, and an old shock absorber. Here in display are few trucks by Sharjah's civil department. This section of the museum is dedicated for large vehicles. It includes tanker trucks, fire trucks, ambulance.
This is a fire truck, a Dodge fire truck model. And this is an ambulance. It is made in the 1958 in the USA. This is a van. It is made in the 1960s.
I'm glad that I found a matching beauty here. Here you can find some four-wheel drive vehicles and early UAE taxis.
This is Sharjah Electricity and Water Authority classic car.
This Rolls-Royce limousine of 1960s has unique features that we find in cars these days. It has full electric system including electric windows, power locks, power seats, FM radio, air conditioning and so on. This is a unique piece in the museum, Mercedes-Benz Pullman 1969 series, a custom-made one for Sharjah's ruler.
I love this car. It looks nice and it's quite long.
Don't miss these. These are Bedford of 1957, used in the UAE for military purposes. There is also a small area dedicated for kids' activities. Unfortunately, it is closed now due to the pandemic. We truly love these bicycle collections here. It is very interesting to see these old collections. Yes, this is the place for all caraholics and all those who have interest in automobiles. If you are in or around UAE, do visit this place.
So here when you enter you can see the timings. Saturday to Thursday it is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Fridays it is open to 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. The ticket price for adults is 10.80 and for kids it is 5. We really enjoyed and had fun at this museum. It was informative for me. If you are in UAE, do visit this place. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy. Much love, Anu and Tanu. Bye-bye.